All right. So the daily candle, previous daily candle closed like this. Current daily candle, no wick at the bottom. We're moving up, so we don't know whether we will move down or up or what's going to happen. Let's take a look on the 4 hour. Looking at the 4 hour, we can see that we're approaching a resistance here first, right? We're approaching a resistance. This is my first time looking at the chart with you guys, by the way. I haven't done any rehearsals, haven't done anything, nothing. So resistance, support. Let's take a look on the 1 hour time frame. Looking at the 1 hour time frame, now we can adjust these zones even further. And what we can do is, okay, so we got the 1 hour zones over here. Let's drop down to the 30-minute. Dropping down to the 30-minute. I think we have some more information now. I guess we can adjust this down over here, 29.19. And now on the 30-minute, we have to identify a support which is valid based on current price action. Now, looking at the 30-minute, we moved bullish from 29.36. This is a 67 pip range where currently we are about 28 pips away from the all-time high we created. Can we repeat the same scenario from yesterday today? Can we do that today again? Anyway, looking for sells. So if we look at sells below 29.36, our support is right over here, 30 pips away, right? So probably, and that is also where the daily candle started right over here, right? Did it? Oh yeah, right there. We can see it right over here. The daily candle started right here. So essentially, if the daily candle hasn't moved bearish, and if we do break and close below 29.33, I think there's a very good range for price to push down 120 pips. So I think sells below 29.33 would be something to look out for. Buys above 29.46 going till 29.50 would be to look out for as well. I think that's something which I'm going to be focusing on today. Sell below 29.33 or buys below 29.46. We'll see what happens. Let's take a look at pound yen. Whoa, pound yen dropping down. Pound yen here. All right. Yeah, we're pushing down on pound yen. Let's take a look on the 4 hour. I'm trying to see if we have some sort of support to our left hand side so we can say that there's some structure pound yen is coming into. Looking at the 1 hour time frame, let's look to the left hand side. Okay, we got something happening here. We have something going on. Let's take a look on the 30-minute. 30-minute. Okay, so 30-minute has a support right here, 189.370, and also there's something going on wherever price is now, 189.560. Below this is like a 20 pip range, it's like whatever. Okay, so let's take a look. Oh, okay, so 30-minute also rejected this area. Okay, awesome, perfect. So we got a good zone that we've tapped into. Great. And now we're also creating a resistance, 189.800. This is probably going to be a pretty good push down, come up, resistance created with this candle close, and this one to continue pushing down. This is what, 34 pips. Okay. So for pound yen, we had a gap and we created resistance and we moved down. If we're looking at just from strictly buying and selling scenario, I think this is going to be it, where if price can break above 189.840, right? 189.840. Nice range, 66 pip range to correct this move down. Or if we can get, break and close below 189.370. Yeah, this is going to be important. Break and close below 189.370. Because right now we're in this range, 44 pip range. We are already in the middle of a range. So it doesn't make sense to kind of trade within the range. We always have to see if we can trade from a resistance of the range, or we can trade from a support of a range. So that's something we have to only focus on. But anyway, let's see what happens. We're going to see you guys tomorrow for the live stream. Up until then, take care and be safe.